Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Aurora's changing dress, like color changing dress perhaps. I did use one Robux item, but if you don't have it, you don't have to, and I did use some VIP items that are non-negotiable. So grab this hair and color it this color, FFB457 in default, and then this too in the same color. Position the Z 2.61 and rotate the X 2.68. Grab this necklace from the Valentine's update, this one, in the color C48B43. Grab this from codes. In the second toggle, position the Y 2.57, Z 0.47, rotate the X 2.74, and scale it to 0.30. And it's the same color as the necklace, and then grab this crown from VIP in the same color as the crown before. First toggle, position the Y 0.57, Z 0.52, and scale it to 0.36. Okay, I just had to check on my OBS real quick. Grab this skirt and save this pattern because we're going to need it a lot, and make sure everything is in the silk material. So I'm not going to remind you every single time. Oh, I did forget one item actually. You want, grab this witch skirt and color it this purple, A492BA in silk. And then I actually forgot to equip one item, which is this. I don't know if they did skirt or not. Like, I don't remember. It's not necessary, but I'm just going to add that in this color blue, C3D2F1. Grab this dress, if you have it in non-see-through, add this pattern in silk, and then that in silk as well, like so. Then I'm going to get this dress in just the skirt only, in that same pattern in silk for both. Okay, then we're going to get this code item, this one, in the third toggle. I don't remember if I did shiny or not. Hold on. So color the first one pink, this pink, F7ABD8, and then the second one blue. I think I did shiny actually, yeah. The third one I did this pink again, and then pink, and then I did the rest I think in pink. Then we are going to add on this skirt. I'm gonna just do like the fifth toggle here because you only can see the first layer in this in silk. And then I'll just do like a pink frill. You can't really see that even. And then I am going to add on this item here from the Christmas quest in the same pattern in silk, and then the same pattern in silk, and then that too for the last color. And then for the white area, you can do either light silk or silk. I'll do just silk. Then we are also going to add on these sleeves here in blue, like the light blue here, sorry, C3D2F1, and then in that lighter pink, F7ABD8. Just save those so you don't forget. I think we need one more item from VIP. It's this one. You can't really see it that much, but select the only pearls option. And I'm just going to color everything in that blue, light blue color, like so. Then we're going to add this lace top here. And I think I did pink and then blue. I'm not sure if I did blue first or pink. Let's do pink. And then I'm going to do pink again for that in silk, and then I'm gonna do blue for the rest, like so. It doesn't have to be like obviously the perfect and same colors for it, but that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.